Hello everyone and welcome. So now today we are looking at the adventure story. It's going to be about a secret map. I think it's going to be interesting where you will learn vocabulary, pronunciation as well at the same time. And please make sure that you always pay attention, taking the notes as well. And yeah, till the end of this video, of course, there's quite a lot of important vocabulary that you be able to take away from this podcast episode. And yeah, let's get straight into it. What shall we? Well, now we have got the secret map. An adventure story for English learners, Chapter 1, The Old Book. It was the first day of the summer holidays. Ben was 12 years old and lived in a quiet village in England. He loved reading books, exploring the countryside, and asking questions. Every weekend, he visited the village library. One rainy afternoon, Ben walked into the library. The librarian, Mr. Green, smiled warmly. "Hello, Ben. Looking for another adventure?" she asked. "Yes, please," Ben replied. "I want something exciting." Mr. Green disappeared behind a shelf and returned with an old, dusty book. I found this in the attic," she said quietly. "No one has borrowed it for many years." Ben carefully opened the book. Suddenly, a folded piece of paper fell onto the floor. It was an old map. Across the top, someone had written, "Follow the river, find the old oak tree, the treasure is waiting." Ben's heart began to race. Could the map be real? Chapter 2, New Friend. A new friend. The next morning, Ben met his best friend, Sophie. "You won't believe what I found," he said. He showed her the map. Sophie looked closely. "It looks old," she whispered. "Do you think it's real?" "I don't know," Ben replied, "but let's find out." They packed their backpacks. Inside they put bottles of water, sandwiches, a torch, and even a notebook, a compass, and even a small first aid kit. "We are ready," Sophie smiled. Their adventure had begun. Chapter 3, Into the Forest. The map led them through the green fields and across the small wooden bridge. Birds sang in the trees. A cool breeze moved through the leaves. Soon they reached a large forest. Everything became quiet. "Quiet, listen," Sophie whispered. "I can't hear anything." They walked slowly along the narrow path. Suddenly, they heard crack. A branch snapped behind them. Ben turned around quickly. Nothing was there. Maybe it was just a fox, he said. But he wasn't completely sure. Chapter 4, The Puzzle. After an hour, they found the old oak tree. It was enormous. Its branches stretched high into the sky. Curved into the trunk was a message. "Only those who solve the riddle may continue." Below the message was the riddle. "I have keys but no locks. I have space but no rooms. You can enter but you cannot go outside. What am I?" Ben thought carefully. Sophie smiled. "I know. It's the keyboard." The ground shook gently. A small wooden door opened beneath the tree. That was amazing. Ben laughed. Chapter 5, The Hidden Tunnel. The hidden tunnel was dark, cool. Ben switched on his torch. The walls were covered with the old drawings of flowers, ships, and mountains. At the end of the tunnel, it stood on the old wooden chest. It was locked. Next to it was another message. The greatest treasure is not gold. Ben looked confused. What does it mean? Sophie looked around. She noticed another small box. Inside were books, journals, and letters written by travellers from long ago. They had recorded their adventures, discoveries, and friendships. Ben smiled. I understand now. The real treasure is knowledge. And the adventures were shared, Sophie added, and the chapter 6, home again. Ben and Sophie carefully carried the book back to the library. Miss Green smiled as soon as she saw them. So she said, you found it. You knew about the map? Ben asked. Mr. Green nodded. It has been waiting for someone curious enough to follow it. The old book were placed safely in the library for everyone to enjoy. Ben realized that every book holds a new adventure. Sometimes the greatest journey begins with a single page, and sometimes the greatest treasure is not something you can hold. It's what you learn along the way, the end of the story. Now, these are the vocabulary that are related to the story. First of all, we've got adventure. An adventure is an exciting journey. Adventure is basically an exciting journey. And we have got a map. Okay, map is a drawing on the places. We've got treasure. A treasure is basically something valuable. And then what we have again, we've got library. A library is a place where the books are, or the place where people borrow the book. Okay. Then we have got the dusty, that covered with the dust. Backpack is a bag that carry on your back. Forest, large area full of trees. Branch is a part of tree. A riddle is a question that makes you think. Tunnel, a tunnel is basically a passage under the ground. Knowledge, information, and understanding. Well, guys, that's the end of the story, and that's the end of the vocabulary. Please, if you do have questions, let me know in the comment section below, and I'm more than happy to answer your comments, guys. And yeah, as always, if you're new here, please welcome, and make sure that you leave us a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.